Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the ladder range. In the ladder range we will find dining and occasional pieces. This range is carefully carved from a solid reclaimed FSC pine wood which is then stained in this gorgeous smoky colour, giving the ladder range a rustic look. Reclaimed wood is known for its natural look with unique imperfections such as knots, colour variations and cracks, making each piece one of a kind. The occasional pieces include a console table, a nest of tables and a coffee table, and all of those pieces are accented by a black wooden leg. The coffee table and console table both offer us plenty of additional storage space with the built-in drawers, whilst the nest of tables is a lovely petite size, making it very easy to manoeuvre when needed. In the dining range we will find a dining bench, dining chairs and two types of dining tables. A round one measuring at 120 centimetres in diameter, as well as a rectangular version which is available in three sizes: 150 centimetres, 180 centimetres and 200 centimetres in length. Again, we have this stunning reclaimed pine top accented by a black coloured wooden leg. We can see all of the perfect imperfections in the grain of the wood, emphasising the rustic look of this range. The dining chairs feature a spindle back look. Transform your home with the complete ladder range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.